love these Cheetos. So cheesy. So crunchy. So orange.
Singer, what are you doing? I see you every 5th hour eating more Cheetos, a new bag every single day since break ended. What are you doing? Don't put that in your mouth. Do not eat that Cheeto. Do not eat that Cheeto.
They're so good though.
Yeah, but there's so much energy in that Cheeto.
I like energy.
Yeah, energy is good. You use it, but this is empty energy.
This is delicious energy.
These are empty carbs, which turn into fat in your stomach. You can't get rid of it unless you work really, really hard. You don't want to fill yourself with
No,
fat.
I work hard though. I mean, that's why I eat these.
But let me explain it to you this way. Energy is what keeps you going. This energy is called empty carbs. Energy can be measured in 2 ways. First way is in calories. We are going to figure out how many calories are in each Cheeto. Now, with calories, you can also measure energy. Energy is the amount of calories you need to change 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. And we also measure energy in joules. If you understand that, you have the basic principle in understanding what the energy is.
So how are you going to figure out how much energy is in 1 Cheeto?
Well, interesting you should ask. What I'm going to do with this Cheeto
I'm eating those.
is I'm going to light it on fire. And I'm going to light it on fire in your dish. And then I'm going to see what the temperature change is in 50 milliliters of water, which I'll put into this soda can. I'm going to put this soda can right on here with my water, and I'm going to heat the water up. Now, when I do that, I have to make sure that I have the thermometer in the empty Coke can, and then also when the thermometer is in the Coke can with the water in it. You need to figure out the change in temperature. Now, there's an equation that you also have to know. So, the equation that you have to know is Q equals mc delta T. Q is the specific heat that you need to know. This is what we're trying to find in each Cheeto. The mass is the mass of the water that you have in your Coke can. The C is the specific heat capacity, which is basically the same thing as the specific heat. They're the same thing. Change in temperature, then, is going to be the change in temperature in the Coke can. So,
Alright. What do you mean by change in temperature?
change in temperature means the change in temperature of this Coke can. So, when you have your original temperature in the Coke can, when you figure out what 50 milliliters of water actually is in Celsius, then after you're done raising the temperature by whatever degrees it might be, so say it starts that Coke can with the water in it is 20 degrees Celsius. And at the end, once your flame goes out because of all of the empty calories have been burned off in the Cheeto, maybe that was 25 degrees Celsius. What you're going to do is subtract those two numbers in order to find your change in temperature, which in this case would be 5 degrees Celsius. So, once you figure out these things, which by the way, this is always going to be 4.18, because that's joules. You know this equation right here for energy, joules equals this, okay? Then you can figure out how many empty calories are in each Cheeto that you have. And I think what I'm going to do is let you students tell Tutor Getzinger if these Cheetos are good or bad for him. Don't tell them they're good. Please don't tell them they're good. No, they're not good. They're not good. They're not good. We're going to take them away. We need these. We need these. No more. No more.
I'm going to eat it.
No more.
I'm eating this Cheeto.